Hello fellow Spartans, welcome to day 9 of the 30-day challenge. It's Friday and I know what you're thinking, we're going to take it easy on you, right? So not the case. Today's workout will consist of 10 box jumps, 20 partner jump overs, and 10 stand-ups. And at the end we have a little bonus.
But before we start, we're going to start with a 3-minute warm-up with jump ropes. So let's get started. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. One more.
Wow.
Count girls. Count girls, this is 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100.
100.